and as you've seen from my sister AC Okenyuri, the party really encourages women to come out, and it really supports the women, her being one of them that the party nominated. We have Gloria Uruoba from the same region. The party really has nominated a couple of women. We have Renee from Nyamira also. You have a couple of women who've been nominated through this party, the UDA party. So we encourage our members to come out in large numbers so that we can be able to build a strong political party. I know it is a heated debate right now, because people are flocking here and there in the party, and I know it's because, one, if there's a party that conducted a free, fair nomination during the last general election, it is UDA, and that is the reason we have large numbers of people who came in different political seats through UDA party, and that's why we're also the majority in Parliament, in Senate.